Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where the day starts off with some fog over the eastern interior, and we're expecting some morning drizzle along the northeastern escarpment. It'll be a partly cloudy and dry day over the eastern part of South Africa, but with a large area of isolated thundershowers extending across the interior. Particularly hot weather is forecast into the Eastern Cape, and with that we might see thundershowers extending all the way through to the coast in the second part of the day. There's also the much talked about and much awaited cold front, and that moves in over the western parts on Friday night, bringing in rainfall mainly over the southwestern part of South Africa overnight and into the early hours of Saturday morning. You'll see that on our rainfall probability map with a 40% chance of rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa. You'll also see a large area of isolated thundershowers over much of South Africa's interior, and here's that morning drizzle extending along the northeastern escarpments. That includes Mbombela, where we can also expect a maximum temperature of 28 degrees. We head into the upper 20s for Gauteng with a warm Friday afternoon, 32 for Vryburg and Thabazimbi. Sizzling hot for the Eastern Cape interior with highs well into the 30s, with hot weather continuing for KwaZulu-Natal, Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg at 34, with a high of around 30 for Bloemfontein and Welkom. Hot as we head towards the coast with a fresh northeasterly wind from Richards Bay through to Port St. John's. We're expecting a 3.5 metre easterly swell at 8 seconds. And in Port Elizabeth, we're forecasting a moderate southwesterly wind, 33 degrees for East London, with thundershowers possibly reaching the coast on Friday night. Just shy of 40 degrees for Somerset East, with another hot day over the southern part of South Africa. We're forecasting a light to moderate southwesterly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a fresh northwester for False Bay at 27 in Muizenberg, and a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. A cooler day is expected for the Northern Cape, dry over the western part of the province, 33 degrees for Carnarvon and Kimberley, with Uppington and Prescott heading into the mid-30s. We're forecasting fresh northwesterly winds for Langebaan and Cape Town, with the westerly wind for Lambert's Bay and Alexander Bay, with a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. The day still starts off with a bit of light morning rain over the western parts on Saturday. We'll see that cooler weather and rainfall spreading through to the southern part of South Africa, with a hot day into KwaZulu-Natal, and then you'll see thundershowers mainly over the central and southern interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.